In this quick video guide, I want to show you how you can use fonts from this website, which is Font Repo. These are free fonts that you can download fast, free, easy, without any effort. You don't need to create an account or anything. And this is right here, the home page. Now, you can use fonts if you want to do like graphic design. So you can use like GIMP or Photoshop. You can use Krita. These are all different software. Krita and GIMP are open source, by the way. Or you can use your fonts like for writing, typing, so creating documents and office um, assets, things like that. So in this case, I use personally LibreOffice. And if you're interested, you will find video guides about installing and using this other software in the channel. Otherwise, you can just write your questions and we're gonna ask for assistance. You can also give other suggestions to other users. So you can see here, this is pretty straightforward for those of you who know how to use fonts. But for those of you who are less expert, for those of you who are beginners, we're gonna show you how to do it. So first of all, you can select one of these fonts. Let's say, for example, I like this one here. Now, all you need to do here is, again, you don't need to create an account or anything. Just click on the green download button and save the file whatever you want. Now, in this case, I've saved it in the download folder, which is like the default folder where I store everything I download. And if I scroll down, you can see here you have more information about the font that you're using. This one here is free for personal use, but there are other types. So depending on what you need to do, if you need to do like a university project or a personal party or whatever, and you need some font, you can use it. Otherwise, check the license. Some license require the credit for the author. Some other licenses are more permissive and you can do whatever you want with the font. Now, you can also look for a particular word. For example, here I'm looking for tech fonts. So I am narrowing the search to a more specific topic, more specific area, which is now you can see a more technological type of font. And down there on the most popular font, you have other types like handwritten fonts, where you have like modern fonts, retro fonts. You have, many times horror fonts or Mexican graffiti and grunge. I don't know, whatever you can see down there, medieval fonts, distorted, and so on. Now you can also find a section called public domain GPL OFL fonts. These are completely public domain, so you can use them however you want. So they are more permissive. So I'm using this one here, which is called Emilio 20 font, and I just click on again the green button, download font file, and when it's ready, when it finished the download process, I can find it in the download folder. So I can open directly the folder, or I can just go in my Windows or whatever operative system you're using and get it from there. Now, if I double click that file, I have two buttons on the top. One is to print this document, which is kind of a preview of what the font will do, or else you can install. So you see there, that's printing and that's installing. So if you click on install, this will install it in your operative system. So it's going to go in a specific fonts folder that is found into the Windows operating system, or if you're using other operating system, it's going to be basically the same. So once it's there, once it's in my system, I can use it for whatever reason. So and on any software that supports these fonts. So if I use here LibreOffice Writer, which is kind of a word processor alternative of Microsoft, you can see there I find my Emilio 80 font. So just type E to search for and get it quickly. So there you go. And then I'm adjusting here the size. So this is how we can use it on a document for just typing, writing, whatever. And also this is GIMP. So I want to show you how you can use it also in graphic design situation. So also here we have the text box. and that's where we can change the font. I'm gonna type E, and there is my Emilio 20 font. And also I can change the size, and now I can just type whatever I want. Okay, now be careful there on the spacing. Well, these are all settings. Well, that's too much. You need to stay inside the text box. So this will be all for this quick video guide. But if you're interested, you will find other graphic design videos and guides and courses in the channel. So please check it out. If you want to join us and support us, you can do it by joining the channel, or you can just subscribe if you want to stay updated for new videos. So this will be all, and thanks for watching. See you in the next.